Hey girlies! In today's video, we're diving into some real self-care. No fluff, just the tools you need to stay centered, confident, and on top of your game. Self-care isn't about escape. It's about building your inner strength, setting boundaries, and claiming your space. So let's get started. 1. Hair care. Moisturize regularly. Maintaining 4C hair requires consistent moisture and protection. Use a water-based leave-in conditioner to hydrate your hair and lock in moisture with oils like castor or jojoba. Regularly deep condition your hair with protein-rich treatments to strengthen it, and make sure to trim your ends every 6 to 8 weeks to avoid split ends. Protective styles like braids or twists can prevent breakage and reduce the need for frequent manipulation. Always sleep on a satin pillowcase or wear a satin scarf to reduce friction, which can cause frizz and breakage. Finally, be gentle when detangling, and consider finger detangling to prevent unnecessary breakage and retain hair length. 2. Skincare. Healthy skin starts with hydration and protection. Drink plenty of water daily to hydrate your skin from within and prevent dryness. Choose a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils, and exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh skin. Moisturize daily using a product that fits your skin type, whether a thicker cream for dry skin or a lightweight lotion for oily skin. Don't skip sunscreen, even on cloudy days, as UV rays can cause hyperpigmentation and premature aging. Use products with ingredients like vitamin C to brighten your skin and treat dark spots. Lastly, don't forget to get enough rest. Quality sleep helps your skin regenerate. 3. Teeth care. A consistent oral care routine is key to keeping your smile healthy and bright. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day, with fluoride toothpaste to remove plaque and food particles, and floss daily to clean between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. If you're looking to brighten your smile, consider using baking soda once a week as a natural, gentle whitening agent. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to wash away bacteria and promote saliva production, which helps neutralize acids in your mouth. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks, which can contribute to cavities and plaque. Lastly, don't skip your dentist appointments. Regular checkups help catch issues early and maintain your oral health. 4. Self-acceptance and confidence. Embracing your natural beauty begins with accepting and loving yourself as you are. Take time each day to practice positive affirmations like, I am enough or I am beautiful, as these thoughts can reshape how you perceive yourself. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is unique. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether on social media or in your personal life, and engage in activities that make you feel good about who you are. Remember, self-love involves setting boundaries, both mentally and emotionally, and prioritizing your well-being. 5. Nail care. Healthy, strong nails require a combination of hydration, protection, and care. Start by moisturizing your cuticles and nails regularly with nourishing oils like castor oil or jojoba oil to prevent dryness and hangnails. Avoid biting your nails, which can cause damage to both your nails and the surrounding skin. Strengthen your nails by massaging oils into them daily or using nail strengthening treatments. Regular manicures, whether at home or professionally, will keep your nails looking neat and prevent damage. 6. Consistency with facial care. Consistency is essential when it comes to facial care. Stick to a simple yet effective skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and sun protection. Cleanse your face twice daily to remove dirt, oil, and impurities, but avoid overwashing, as this can strip your skin. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote skin turnover, but don't overdo it. Exfoliation too often can irritate the skin. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type to lock in hydration, and always apply sunscreen during the day to protect against UV damage. Stick to your routine, as results won't show overnight, but with patience, you'll notice improvements in your skin's appearance and texture over time. 7. Journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional release. Start by setting aside time each day, whether in the morning or before bed, to write freely about your thoughts, emotions, or experiences. Journaling allows you to process your feelings, reflect on your day, and even track personal growth. You can make it a habit by setting a specific time to write, or even use prompts to guide your writing. Writing down your goals, dreams, and challenges challenges can help you clarify your thoughts and keep you focused on your aspirations. Over time, journaling can become a therapeutic ritual that improves your mental clarity and emotional well-being, helping you maintain a positive mindset. 8. Avoiding toxic people. Protecting your peace means setting boundaries with toxic individuals who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. Recognize the signs of toxic behavior, whether it's manipulation, constant criticism, or a lack of support, and take steps to distance yourself from these people. Start by setting clear, firm boundaries and communicating your needs honestly. Don't be afraid to say no or limit interactions with those who don't respect you. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, and prioritize relationships that bring positivity and growth. And so, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to self-care, and you deserve to look and feel your best every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Share with a friend who could use some love and beauty tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay fabulous.